A quick video to show how you can change your LinkedIn profile. By random, you have a very uh, long string of name, so I have kept it like MD Arshad. How did I get this? For that, what you need to do is, once you go to view profile, you will be seeing an option. One option is, you can see this edit link here. You can edit this and you can change your public profile. The second, or you can edit here and you can accordingly uh, change this. Click edit, whatever it is, you can do that specific thing. The next option is, if you're not seeing this, go to generally go to settings here, right click, go to settings and privacy. Then what you can do is go to visibility, and what you can have is, you can edit your public profile, and then you will have this option. So many of the people have a long string and a long you can say number attached to it, which does not look professional. You see for something that is available, look for it, and you can try to save it. So for me, Muhammad was not available, as it is a common name. Arshad was not available, and I just made it short MD, that stands for Muhammad and Arshad. And this is something that looks good for me, and I've shared it. And you can also think about it and see what, if it is available, it is going to be there. If not, it is going to give, you need to suggest it and set it up, that is there. So this is something that I request all of the community members to do this activity, to have a professional LinkedIn profile. Two options: you go to settings as I showed you, and second is edit profile, and you will have that option. Thank you, and see you in the next video.